Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to clone GitHub repository using SSH key. So let's start. So first of all, you need to create or you need to generate a SSH key on your system. Once that SSH key is generated, you need to go to settings. So this is my GitHub account, and if you click on this profile icon and if you go to settings, inside the settings, here you can see SSH and GPG keys, and over here you can see this is the SSH key. I have already added this SSH key. So if you don't know how to generate SSH key, then please check my video on the same topic. Once you have generated the SSH key and once that SSH key is added to the GitHub, now open your Git bash. Open your Git bash in administrator mode. Once you open your Git bash, then you need to test the connection between your local system and GitHub. So for that purpose, you need to type a command ssh-t and git@github.com. So you need to type this command and press enter. And over here you can see we have successfully made the connection with the GitHub. So once you made the connection with the GitHub using SSH key, now go to your GitHub account or repository that you want to clone. So in my case, I want to clone this sample repository. So once you click on the repository, over here you can see the code option. So click on the code option, and here are the different options like HTTPS, and SSH. Now click on the SSH option. Now you need to copy this URL. So over here you can see the icon to copy the URL. Now once you copy your SSH URL, now go to the folder where you want to clone your repository. So in my case, I want to clone my repository in this folder. So right click over here, go to show more options and click on the option open git bash here. So it will automatically open git bash on this path. Over here you can see source repos path. So this is the path where I want to clone the repository. So the we already have the copied URL. Now type a command git clone and paste the URL over here. So this is the URL that we have copied and press enter. And over here you can see the message cloning into my demo app. So this is the folder or repository that we have copied, and over here you can see we have successfully cloned the GitHub repository. Now if you go to the folder, so this is the folder where I have cloned the repository, and if you open this solution, you can see we have successfully cloned the GitHub repository using SSH key. So in this way, we can generate SSH key and we can clone the GitHub repository using SSH key. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.